Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and organize documents directly inside ClickUp. If you use ClickUp for project management, team collaboration, or keeping track of workflows, then ClickUp Docs can make a huge difference. They're perfect for storing meeting notes, project briefs, standard operating procedures, brainstorming ideas, and basically any information you want connected directly to your tasks and projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a new document, organize it properly, format it quickly using / commands, and share it with your team for collaboration. Let's jump right in. First, let's create a brand new document inside ClickUp. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your spaces, folders, lists, and tools are located. Now, find the space or folder where you want your document to live. This part is important because keeping documents in the correct location makes everything easier to organize later, especially when working with larger projects or teams. Next, hover your mouse near the space or folder name and click the plus icon. This is the Quick Create shortcut inside ClickUp. A small drop-down menu will appear with different options like Tasks, Lists, and Docs. From the list, select Doc. The moment you click it, ClickUp instantly creates a fresh, blank document for you to start working on. Now let's organize and style the document properly. At the very top of the page, click the title area and enter a clear name for your document. For example, you could name it something like Project Notes, Marketing Plan, or Standard Operating Procedures. Giving documents clear titles makes them much easier to find later, especially when your workspace starts growing. You can also make the document more visually organized. Hover near the top of the page and you'll see options to add an emoji icon or even a cover image. This may seem small, but visual labels actually help a lot when you're quickly scanning through multiple files and folders. Now, before moving on, double-check that the document is saved in the correct space or folder. Keeping related documents close to the tasks they support helps your workspace stay clean and efficient. Next, let's talk about formatting because this is one of the best features inside ClickUp Docs. ClickUp uses a block-based editing system, which means you can quickly insert different formatting styles using / commands. On a new line, simply type a /. Immediately, a formatting menu appears. From here, you can choose headings like H1, H2, or H3 to organize sections of your document. You can also insert bullet lists, numbered lists, tables, checklists, images, dividers, and much more. Think of / commands as a shortcut menu that speeds up document creation without constantly searching through toolbars. One really useful feature is the ability to connect docs directly to your tasks. Using / commands, you can insert links to ClickUp tasks, embed tables, or even display live project data right inside your document. This creates a powerful connection between your notes and your actual workflow. Now let's quickly go over sharing and collaboration. Once your document is finished, click the Share button in the top right corner. Here, you can control who can view the document and who can edit it. This is especially useful if you're working with teammates, clients, or remote collaborators. And one of the best parts is that ClickUp Docs supports real-time collaboration. That means multiple people can edit the document at the same time while seeing updates live, similar to working inside Google Docs. This makes brainstorming sessions, project planning, and team documentation much faster and easier. And that's it. You now know how to create, organize, format, and share documents inside ClickUp like a pro. Hopefully this tutorial helped you better understand how powerful ClickUp Docs can be for organizing projects and improving team collaboration. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.